While Menard might fly under the radar, its supernatural draw is becoming all too apparent. And before the town was here, the Apache actually called this area Summerland. And according to their legends, if you drank from the San Saba River, you would forever thirst to return. And well, thirsty is exactly what I am. So let's find ourselves a beverage and some dinner at Summerland Public House. Owners Luke and his wife Sarah opened Summerland to bring some serious food, craft, and creativity to Menard, with some dishes even I've never seen.
All right, buddy, made you something.
What is this?
It's a corn rib, and you eat it like a rib. Flash fried corn. Dress it up with some street corn seasonings.
Dude, that's so good.
Will it work?
Yeah.
Good.
I think this sort of epitomizes what you guys are doing out here. You're bringing something new to Menard.
Everything that we're doing with our food is very intentional. For us, good food doesn't necessarily have to be fancy. It just needs to be quality.
And so Luke and the team go to painstaking lengths with everything, from blistered shishito peppers to hand-tossed pizza.
Sarah grew up here in Menard. I grew up in Boston, Massachusetts.
Okay.
And we're living in a million different places and finding food that we love. We just happened back in Menard, really wanted a place where we could go eat good quality food, bring our family, have a cold beer, and listen to some good music. And because I never thought I'd be in Menard, Texas with a little pub down here, but that river calls me back every day, literally. It's a beautiful place.
Given his eclectic taste and upbringing, Luke's known for hosting random lobster dinners. I mean, tonight his buddy Adam is slinging fresh oysters. It's a craft food oasis. The big seller, though, is smash burgers. They make up 80% of business, and it's time to see what the hype is all about.
All right, Terry, what are we gonna make today?
Today we're gonna make a Public House double, which is one of the best-selling burgers here. Most important for me is the crust and the grill. Great uncle cooked here back in the early 60s, and this is the same grill he used.
Seriously? Look at the seasoning in that. You
Yes.
can't go and buy one of those at Restaurant Supply.
Flip the bacon, it gets 3 strips, American cheese on it.
Ooh!
And this is our famous house sauce, so we're gonna top it off with a few onions, jalapenos.
I love it. I didn't have to order it with jalapenos. It just came with jalapenos.
Yes, sir. And that is the Public House double.
Oh, my goodness. Terry, you're an artist.
Thank y'all very much.
Amazing. All right, here it is. Definitely requires 2 hands. That is smash burger perfection right there. The crispy edges around the burger. Oh, that's where the magic is. What Luke and Sarah have built here, it's what the Public House was originally intended for. Place together with your friends and your family, enjoy some good food, a cold beverage, and a good time. And man, they have nailed it.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.